fame. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. Yeah. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame.
Greetings, YouTube. A Lion Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Friday, March the 27th, 2020. And have you guys been wondering what's going on with our Moringa seedlings? It's been almost a month since we brought you guys our last video update on our Moringa seedlings. And in this video, we're going to give you guys a quick look at exactly how they're doing and where they are now currently located in our front yard garden extended grow area. Hang tight, YouTube. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now. Indeed, YouTube. Indeed. This is where our Moringa seedlings are currently now located in our front yard garden extended grow area. And this is what they're looking like today, March the 27th, 2020. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Yes, indeed, YouTube. If you recall from our What's Growing in our greenhouse video series, we showed you guys how we planted originally 6 Moringa seedlings. 5 of those seedlings did, in fact, germinate. One of those seedlings didn't make it. One of those seedlings withered up on us and dried up and died on us. But this is the remainder of our Moringa seedlings. We planted 2 here on this side of our sidewalk in this hole over here. And we planted the other 2 on this side of our sidewalk, right out near the road. They're in full sunshine. They will receive at least 10 hours of full sunlight each day in this location from now until about the end of July as fall begins to approach. But this, YouTube, is indeed what our Moringa seedlings are looking like. They are currently almost 6.5 inches tall above the soil, and we planted them 5 inches deep in the soil, which means they're currently about 11 inches tall overall, YouTube. Indeed, our 4 Moringa seedlings. And this is what they look like in our front yard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you are currently watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Growing Moringa right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Yeah. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. Yeah. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. Take a seat, sit back, relax, and open up your ears. I'm taking you back when everything and everyone was real. When a song could make your whole day and change the way you feel. And all of the people who could sing could get a record deal. But nowadays the music biz I just don't understand. Seem like to get a deal you must be a convicted man. I got disgusted and this lion came up with the plan. Ain't no love, I dropped a hit with Bobby Blue Bland. Now I done broke my chains and things will never be the same. They shouldn't have ever let this lion in the game. From dusk to dawn, out in the sun and even in the rain. If you're looking for this lion, get back to chasing fame. Yeah. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. Chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. Just open up your mind, look back, and you can see the truth. Turn on the radio, tune in, and you will hear the proof. The great I win in flash and gold, teeth and tattoos. Glamorizing, doing jail time and breaking rules. pants hanging off your ass looking like a fool. Whoever thought the black man to think that this was cool? Like in the day, the industry was built upon respect, and they would drop you if you couldn't keep yourself in check. But it's a new day, and now they don't even bother. Got managers and middlemen trying to make $1, and it's enough to make a grown man scream and holler. But in the music biz, remember knowledge is the power. I'm out here chasing fame.